Well, good afternoon. Time here is about 5:30 in the afternoon on July 1st on a Monday. We're just getting up here near Flaming Gorge Reservoir on Forest Road 063 where we're camping tonight. A lot of people up here, 4th of July weekend, but we just picked a spot to spend the night, and tomorrow we'll probably head on over toward Pinedale, Wyoming, and out toward the Idaho border that way. So that's kind of what this area looks like. Pretty nice. No mosquitoes. I am about 2 days behind schedule. Tilda had the flu, the motorcycle, and had to get a new battery, but I wasn't quite sure without a watt meter or voltmeter what was going on, but I broke down in Dinosaur on Saturday. So I ended up having to be trailered back to the house in Hayden, and went through everything on the bike and determined that the battery is bad. It's only about a year old, so I guess the outfit that sold me the battery
MREs, it's what's for dinner.
sold me a pretty lousy battery. So anyways, got a brand new Interstate, and we're back on the road again, and hopefully all go well. So this is camp. Looking around here. My brother Bob, maybe I can get you in there. I see you back there.
Chicken and noodles, yum yum.
All right. So there we be. So I guess I'll check in with you in the morning. We'll be leaving. See you later. Bye-bye. Pinedale, Wyoming. Time's about 7:30 in the evening on July 2nd on a Tuesday. We just rode from Flaming Gorge Reservoir area on through Rock Springs, Wyoming, on up here to Pinedale, and we're camped about 6 miles, I believe, east of here at a place called Tote Lake. And it's a wildlife management area, free camping. It's just not a whole lot out there, but I'm down here. Came back into town to grab me a quick Italian sandwich and grab me a couple tall boy beers here at the liquor store. And we'd head back to Tote Lake and set up camp and call it a night. So, anyway, Pinedale, Wyoming, right here. So we'll catch you later. Have a good evening. I also wanted to mention too, when I broke down on a Saturday evening with the battery issue, I was really stuck as far as going out on my trip, because come Saturday evening, motorcycle shops were closed. Sunday, there's no motorcycle shops open. Monday, you know darn well there's no motorcycle shops open. Most of them, or at least the one in Steamboat, would probably be pretty darn busy. So I'll tell you what I went ahead and did. I went ahead and got on YouTube Sunday morning, and I started just researching stuff. And what I found, one of the fellows that I do follow is Mr. Dove Factor. He's out of near, I think somewhere around Salt Lake City, Utah or something. But him and a few of his buddies just love motorcycles, and Mr. Dove Factor really gets into a lot of mechanics with the KLR 650, along with a couple other bikes. I watched a couple of his videos as far as checking your stator on your motorcycle, as well as checking your regulator. And those two videos alone that I picked up on Sunday pretty much told me, after checking my electrical, that everything was good. My stator was putting out, did not have any shortage as far as it ohms, and my regulator was looking good as far as there's no open shorts or anything there either. So checking the battery's definitely bad. Even though it was brand new, it was a cheap ass battery that I got in Grand Junction. Last summer when I was on another ride, I didn't know the brand that I was buying. So if you're gonna get your new motorcycle battery, get one that you know is good. Like for instance, what I put in mine, I put an Interstate battery in mine. I know darn well Interstate puts out good batteries. So I wanted to let you know that the Mr. Dove Factor YouTube channel kind of saved my bacon on this ride, because I was afraid I wasn't going to be able to go on this ride this summer, which really had me down and out. So I wanted to let you know.